Hello everybody, it's me Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't like my videos, don't watch it, blah 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 blah. Today I have a couple things to explain a little bit. So if you have watched any of my previous videos, you would know that my family and I are moving soon, next month. I really hope it's next month, but we have decided to start packing and everything. So I did start this video yesterday, but I didn't do an intro or anything. So, and sorry, I'm all over the place. The footage that I got yesterday was literally like a minute and a half, and I wasn't gonna upload like a minute and a half video, maybe 2 minutes with an intro. So this intro is already a minute already. So let's just get in the rest of the video.
Oh, I didn't have one. Yeah, it's that one. I'm just friends. Alright, let me sell real quick while I record. Why not? You could do a Rocket League video. No, this channel is all about that Fortnite and Minecraft life. And FNAF life. We don't talk about that.
Alright, so I just found this little box, and I was, just gonna put like random things in little boxes and then put a bunch of little boxes in bigger boxes. So I don't know why I put a bunch of trash in this box. This is a beautiful box, that's why I'm saving it. But I'm gonna throw this stuff away because it's all trash except for this one little hair tie. So I'm gonna start putting stuff in here. Okay. Okay. What is that? Oh. Okay. It's on the floor. So now we have, that's dirty. So I'm gonna clean that, and then we have this box to use. And then I found another small box. It is small, but obviously, I'm putting random little things in it. It's okay. I just need something to put stuff in. Okay, so all of this stuff I want to put away before I actually like move stuff and it all gets broken and all, so I wanted to pack it all together just because it's stuff that's most likely going to go on my vanity or a shelf somewhere together, and I want to pack it all together. Anyway, I just said that. All of this stuff that I'm currently about to pack are fragile, so I did grab a couple of bags just to like, you know, pack in between. So I'm gonna use this box for that. Let's make sure these fit anyways. Alright, cool. I know this one will fit. No, it won't actually. Or if I do it like that, then this won't fit. Or will it? Yes. Okay, so this will not fit. So we're gonna have to find some other things to pack in this box. Oh shoot, so far just the candles and the lipstick organizer. I ended up packing it like this. I put the two pillar, what do you call them, pillar candles? I put them on top of each other with, you know, a bag in between. This candle I put right there, and then the jar fits, so there's still space. So I'm gonna see what I can put in here. Okay, you guys, I do have this huge token of stuff to go through, and obviously I haven't used it, so I'm probably just gonna repack it somehow. And I do, one second, I have another little thing right here that I can also go through that has a bunch of other random stuff in it. Okay, so first, what is in here? This is extra feminine products that needs to go in the bathroom. A bag I can use for packing. Another makeup bag. I feel like I'm gonna put my chapsticks in this one, because that's what I did when I thought I was gonna move to Tennessee, but I didn't. Again, I can use this one for packing or something. My boyfriend's hat and my hat, now that it's starting to get colder, I'm gonna keep those out because we can use them. Ice cube tray. I'm gonna pack it, but yeah. These swim shorts, I don't think they're gonna fit my boyfriend, so we're gonna donate. I have so much stuff back there that I don't want to pack it yet, but I don't use it all every day. Like, obviously, like, I don't use my makeup every day, so I already packed some of that. And like the Halloween stuff, it's literally November, so by the time we actually like hardcore pack, like, it won't be Halloween anyway, so I might just take it down today. We'll see. Okay, so I have clothes that I know I'm not gonna wear within the next month, so I'm just gonna put those away. This is like tank top. This is a tank top and shorts, and then this is more summery, like tank tops, crop tops that I kept to layer, but it's not cold enough to really layer yet. So that means I won't really need this cardigan within the next month. It is cold, but like, I feel like if I layer, I'll be way too cold, so we're just not. Then I have my two tapestries that I'm just gonna put in here because I don't want to have to take them down, because it's always sad when I take them down, so I'm not gonna put them up and take them back down. What else? We have blankets, and it's not gonna be like, you know, freezing, so I'm gonna put my Nightmare Before Christmas blanket in here as well. Just so we don't have as many things to then worry about. And what I think I'm gonna do is when this gets filled up enough, I'm gonna sit this at the top, like right here, if you can see that right there, and I'm gonna put stuff on it, just so, you know, takes up some extra space that could have been used. Another insert here. I'm just gonna end this video here. There's gonna be plenty of other packing, moving videos for you. So I feel like this one's a good length, and I did somewhat enough for today. See ya.